Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your effecto subscription. Okay, so all steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
Method 1. Cancel effecto subscription via iOS. Go to the Settings app on your device and then tap on Subscriptions. Now, navigate to your Apple ID on the device and sign in. Go to the Subscriptions button and from the available options, select effecto subscription. You can now finally tap on Cancel and this will deactivate your subscription. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel effecto premium subscription via Android. Go to the Google Play Store you are signed into. Tap on your profile showing at the top right and you will see a number of options. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the list and then tap on Subscriptions. Tap on the effecto subscription from the list and then hit Cancel Subscription. Finish the steps and the subscription will be deactivated from your device. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel effecto premium subscription via email. To cancel your subscription, please contact support team at help@effecto.app at least 48 hours before the end of the current subscription period. This ensures we have enough time to process your request. If you contact them later, they cannot guarantee the cancellation will be completed before the period ends. Send an email regarding your membership cancellation. Open the default email application on your device and compose an email. In the subject box, add Cancel my effecto premium subscription. Then provide details of your subscription like account number, if any, registered mobile number, and email ID. And also give your personal information that they may require for your cancellation. When you are satisfied with the email, send it to help@effecto.app. And you are done.
Okay friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your effecto subscription. If you have any issues, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.